Welcome viewers, today we are going to install a video editor software that is MOVAVI. To download the software I have given the link in description. Software को download करने के लिए link description में दिया है. Now go to the software folder and open the 64-bit or 32-bit as per your operating system. I will open the 64-bit folder. Now run the setup and start the installation. Setup run करें, installation start हो जाएगी. It will take some time. थोड़ी देर बाद ये इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा. Now go to the activation folder and copy all these files. Activation folder में जाके सारी फाइल्स को कॉपी कर लें. Now go to the desktop and right click on the MOVAVI icon that has been created after installation. Installation के बाद जो icon desktop पे create हुआ है उसको right click करें. And now go to the its folder location and paste here all those copied files. सारी जो कॉपी की हुई थी फाइल्स उनको यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर दें और रिप्लेस कर दें. Your software has been activated and enjoy the editing videos. Thank you.